Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. It's Brianna Ray from DIY here to bring you another super cute DIY gift idea. I actually saw someone do this on TikTok. I believe she sells these. I'm not going to be selling this by any stretch of the imagination, but it's definitely something super fun and a cool idea to do with kids. So I know I'll be babysitting like my niece and nephew coming up. Not that this is maybe age appropriate for them quite yet, but knowing, hey, sometime in the future, if I ever need a kind of a weekend activity to keep the kids busy, this is definitely something cool, and it can totally be customized to be whatever you want. And it is all beginning with these Infusible ink pens from Cricut. I'm not sure if they come like non-branded, like I don't know if anyone other than Cricut sells these. I didn't really check, I just got the Cricut ones because they were available and they were right there. Basically, the way that these work is you can draw on something and then transfer it using heat. And the way that I saw this done is this person on TikTok had her Cricut draw on just like a regular piece of cardstock. I think it might have even been copy paper, honestly. And then heat transfer it onto a canvas to make a custom paint by number canvas. And I thought that looked super fun and I kind of just want to do it. So yeah, of course there's the option of also, you know, drawing on just like with a regular black marker, but this adds like a kind of a layer of repeatability. So there's the option to, you know, if you really like something or if you want a bunch of kids to have something similar or like the same design rather, instead of, you know, having to hand draw them all yourself. This is just a really cool way to do that for birthday parties and so on. So let's just start. So I got everything started here on my iPad. Also I have my directions for the Infusible ink pens here, so don't mind that. I just got this design off of the internet. It is a very simple, like geometric cat design. I thought it would be easy enough for the Cricut to replicate. Something that's a little strange about the drawing feature on Cricut is that it does kind of outline twice, so you'll get one line here and one line here instead of one big line. So if I have to go over it again, I might, but you know, tracing is going to be a lot easier again than recreating the exact same thing from scratch over and over again. So this is kind of the design that I went with, and I'm starting just by saving this in the black and white form, and then I'm going to go over and add in some color. So I already did that, and I just went for like a variety of pinks. I have 5 colors here because I also got just a little set of paint pots. So let me show you those. Check out how cute these are. I haven't even opened them yet, but I'm excited. So I just got these little sets of 6. So I wanted to make sure I only had 6 color designs, and they cap up and you can put little paint in them or whatever and make them perfect, and then you can add little number labels on top, which is what we are going to do, of course. So I wanted to make sure that all the designs I had less than 6. Of course I could have added in, you know, a second one if I needed like more colors. I could have done, you know, one of these and then a second one with different colors for 12 total colors and so on. But again, since I'm just kind of doing this for myself and for like proof of concept, I just went with these. I think it'd be really cool to do this with like maybe a simplified version of like a wedding photo or something for somebody, like a, you know, an anniversary gift. It just sounds like a really cool idea, and I just want to test it out and show you guys how to do it if it's something that you're interested in. So yes. Now, like I said, I saved just the black and white copy and I uploaded it to my computer, and we're gonna head over there and I'm gonna add in all of the numbers on a different screen so I can look over here and see, okay, this is color 1, this is color 2, and I can put the right numbers in all the places, again, so that the Cricut will write it for us. Alright, so here you can see me just kind of referencing all of my images really quickly. That's a bright pink, and that's the bright pink. And I think just because I don't want to have to waste white paint if I don't have to, and I will be doing this on a white canvas, I will not be adding any numbers to the white boxes, just for really convenience more than anything. And I do believe that is all of my 3s, so I'm going to move on to my 4s, and then I'm going to save this image and upload it into Cricut Design Space. Alright, with all of that done, we're going to head over into Cricut Design Space. I'm going to go into Upload, Browse, and grab my photo right off of here. Where are you? There we go, paint by number. It's got all my numbers. This is simple, it's just the black and white. Continue. There's an automatic feature. I have not found it super good so far. Yeah, like awkwardly cut off a bunch of my numbers, so I'm going to revert it, and I'm just going to select all of the background areas myself. Alright, I think we got it all. Apply and continue. Then we're gonna do a cut image. You know, don't get anything in a twist quite yet. Don't worry, we're gonna switch it to our drawing as soon as we get it in the canvas. Oop, and she is ginormous. She does not need to be that big. So I actually haven't grabbed the canvas I'm putting this on yet. I gotta figure out what measurement it is, but for now I'm just gonna drop this so that I can see it. All right, I got it. And I'm going to do a 5x7 canvas. Simple, just one that I got from the local Dollar Tree, no drama, super inexpensive. And now I'm going to select this, go under operation up here, and I'm going to draw with a pen. And you can see that it does kind of do those like outline shapes and all that, which isn't ideal, but again, I think my experience has been such that if the lines are close enough together, it's not really super noticeable. This is a very fine tip pen, so I'm thinking that I might have to do a little bit of filling in, but hopefully it shouldn't be too much drama. So with all that said, I'm gonna send this over to the Cricut. All right, just about ready to go. Just gotta clamp pen in here. Oop, there we go, click, clamp, and let's send her off. Oh shoot, I think I'm supposed to flip it. Oops. Well, I still got the Cricut out. We're gonna do it again, except I'm gonna hit mirror this time, not like a doofus. All right, back at it, on the right track. Get this nice and centered. Speaking of cats, my darling Angel has decided to join us. And I kinda wanna put something underneath. I checked all the edges already, so I kind of have a spoiler, but I don't know how the inside transferred, if it transferred at all. So let's peel up the tape and do a big reveal. Ta-da! Ooh! It's pretty good. Just for consistency's sake, I'm gonna... the edges, I think, were a little bit, what's the word I'm looking for? Less pressure, because they weren't kind of being supported by the towel underneath. So I think that's kind of where that got messed up a little bit. And I don't like doing this while I'm filming because the angles that I'm looking at this at are so whack, and I'm totally afraid I'm gonna mix something up. Persephone, no. All that's left is to fill these, put the labels on top, throw a brush in there, and I have a cool gift idea. And originally I was thinking I was gonna paint this for the video, but I don't really think that's necessary. So instead, I think I'm gonna pick a color scheme that's a little more like one that I think I know a girlfriend of mine would like, and I'm gonna gift this to her. So let's do that. I'm very nearly out of all of my white paint. I really need to get some more, so just add a little bit of black. Don't need a lot. And do you hear that? Ugh, it's watery. It's gross. Hold on. Oh my god, I was just thinking. I thought I ordered some white paint. I found it. Ha! I did. And it's unopened. Hooray. call this the cleanup colors, you know, in case you mess something up and want to fix it. And we have this all mixed up. It looks much better. Now we're just gonna close these down. I have them in order so I know how to number them. Make sure they snap nice and tight. So cute. I just grabbed a cheapy brush from a Walmart set. It looks like I got a little paint on it, unfortunately. I'm just gonna quickly grab my label maker to add some labels to the top of these, and we should be done. Honestly, I'm obsessed with this project. It is super fun, super creative. It's just a really great thing to kind of make super personal. I already have so many ideas of like how I can do more with this, what exactly more I would like to do with it. I love the like, you know, anniversary idea, or even like a birthday thing. I think it would be super fun to like make one of these of like specific characters like that my niece and my nephew love, like if I wanted to do like one for Bluey or, you know, Paw Patrol or something, and sort of create something so that they can have like, you know, be really excited about it and kind of create something with a little bit of structure. But overall, this is such a fun idea. The other really great thing about this in particular is the ability to get it on the canvas. Obviously, if you just had a regular pen, you can still do this just with a nice thick piece of cardstock and send it through your Cricut and have it create the numbers and everything for you in that way. The Infusible ink pen is really only required if you want it on this three-dimensional surface that otherwise the Cricut wouldn't be able to print on. There is also an option that maybe is a little bit more work, but if you pull all the staples out and then flatten the canvas on the what's the word? The mat, the cutting mat. Yeah, if you take all the staples off and then just flatten this canvas out on the mat and then restaple it once it has drawn your design on, then you don't have to worry about the Infusible ink pen in that way either, and you'll get a more even color compared to the Infusible ink pen. You might just have a messier back, depending. With all of that said, I wanted to thank you guys so much for watching. If you like what you saw and you want more creative ideas, feel free to like and subscribe. I put out new videos every Sunday at noon Eastern Standard Time, and I would love for you to be here for the next one. Thanks again so much, and hopefully I will see you then. Bye!